almost 6:30 and 7:15 early in the morning in Norwegian time. I'm back in Madiscarding Mama. Ang gawin natin ngayon, gagawa akong breakfast. This is my everyday breakfast. Mayroon tayong carrots. Ilagay lang natin ito sa yung smoothie na bottle. Ito lang siya. Pwede itong pang convenience, pwede itong dalhin sa trabaho. Nito lang guys, and then mayroon tayong apple. Yan, ilagay natin yung apple. Ilagay natin dyan. Mayroon tayong avocado. Tingnan mo yung avocado guys, it's a beautiful. Green na green. Moody guys. Binili ko ito sa grocery. Hindi pa siya hinog. Ngayon hinog na siya. Ganyan lang ako. And that is it. Lagyan natin 2 peraso na strawberry. Kasi ito na mamamaya yung anak ko. Mayroon siyang banana and strawberry. Of course, mayroon tayong fresh milk. Kung available sa bahay ninyo, gumamit kayo ng fresh milk. Little, not much. And mayroon tayong natural na yogurt. Lagyan natin dyan. Hindi karamihan. Kaunti lang. And this is it. I-mix na natin guys. So, mayroon tayong mixer machine. That is mixer machine. And i-start na natin. Now that is done, the smoothie is clear to drink. Yan, kunin natin guys. And then, ilipat natin ito sa yan. That is it guys. Is going to make it a yellow color because I make the carrots. So this is it. And then next we're going to do, ganun pa rin guys, hindi ko siya hugasin dahil gagawa ako sa anak ko. So mayroon akong frozen na strawberry. Mas maigi na frozen na lang dahil hindi masayang yung strawberry dahil madaling masira. And then ito na siya guys. And then sa kanya fresh milk lang. And then ano na natin start. Ano natin? And then, start natin na ulit, guys. So, this is it. Start. Now that is done. So, ilipat na natin ito, guys. Ito, sa kanya, sa anak ko, guys. Tumuksan natin. So, that is my son milkshake. This is always, every day also, I make to him banana and strawberry. Every day. Yan. And this is for me and this is my son. That is avocado, carrots, apple, and little bit strawberry. This is strawberry and banana. So now I'm going to do. So this is my sana breakfast. Mayroon tayong sweet cherry tomato and mayroon tayong cooked boiled egg. So ganito lang ako guys. Ito yung breakfast niya everyday. So that is it. Ganun lang guys. Mayroon 3 boiled egg ang i-breakfast sa kanya. 3. That is 2. So, mayroon tayong isang pirasong natira, pero dadalhin ko sa trabaho. Little bit salt. And pepper. Simple and easy. So, that is my son breakfast every day. Let's eat. It's guys, before I eating my breakfast, of course, mayroon tayong 1 cup coffee and which is my smoothie. So, I have my fish oil. So, every day din ito. 1 tablespoon lang guys ang inumin natin. kailangan ako drink with water. So, let's eat. Ito na guys, yung breakfast natin. So, this is for video more today. This is Indian Madiscarding Mama. Paki-like and paki-share and subscribe. Thank you for watching to everyone. God bless you all. Bye.